Hi guys, hello my beautiful people. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lola.kunbi, and on this channel I make videos on lifestyle and skincare. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe, click on the likes button, drop me a comment, and don't forget to click on the notification bell just so you get notified anytime and every time I post a video. I don't know if you guessed it right, but obviously if you're watching this video, you probably knew it was a skincare related video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the tomato gel. Have you ever used it? Drop that for me in the comment section. I think I'm curious because I think a lot of people don't use it. In fact, I feel like a lot of people don't use gels. Period. So this is the tomato gel. If you did not watch my video on the aloe vera gel, I feel like it's something you should watch. Just watch it because why not? Okay, so this is the tomato gel. It says soothing and moisture tomato gel, 99% tomato soothing gel, new moisture. I don't believe it is 99% tomato. It is rich in tomato extract concentrate, which can moderately repair the skin after basking and moisturize the skin, and then to promote healthy and smooth skin. Okay, so we're just going to jump straight into this video because I kind of want this video to be a quick one. It's heat. Okay, so I want this video to be a quick one. What is my impression on this? It's a gel, obviously. Okay, let's do that. Let me show you guys the consistency. So this is... Are you seeing that? Obviously, you're seeing it. It's not so thick. It is light. Like, it is transparent. It is transparent, and it kind of like sinks into your skin. So let me show you. Yeah, it just like, obviously it's a gel. The smell is not so bad, but it's not giving tomato smell. So I don't know how it says 99% gel. So the reason why I bought this was because I liked the aloe vera gel. If you've not seen my video, I'll be linking it down in the description, so you should go and check it out. I was very particular about the aloe vera gel just because aloe vera helps with sun. Mind you, before I bought this, I did make my research, and it did say that tomato is actually good for the skin. It helps moisturize the skin. It helps like brighten your skin. I'm going to be leaving some benefit of tomato somewhere here. You'll see like a whole screenshot. So I did make my research on tomato. I tried checking for this gel online, but a lot of people had not done. That's another reason I'm doing this, just in case you are curious about the gel and you actually want to buy it. I checked YouTube and I was checking, I was not seeing a lot of it. So I'm like, let's just buy it. How much was it? It was less than 2,000 naira. So it is something that you should be able to afford. It was less than 2,000 naira. It was like 1,300 or 1,200. I got this here in Abuja, H-Medics. I started using it how I would use my aloe vera gel. So my aloe vera gel, I'll use it in the morning and in the night. So I'll use it in the night alone as a moisturizer on my body. And while on my face, I'll put it on my face and then put my moisturizer on top of it. Then in the morning, I just like go in with my face wash, my essence, and then I put this, then my sunscreen on top. I've been trying to do this, and to be honest, I'm not seeing much. I don't know. I miss my aloe vera gel so much, and I'm going to buy my aloe vera gel once this is done. Is this something I will repurchase? To be honest, I'm not sure. I did find a good use of this, which I'm going to say. If you are curious, I am going to say how I use this. But so far so good. I still use it in the night as a night moisturizer, and I kind of stopped with the morning one because I did not see the good use of it. So however, I will tell you what I love this product for. If you are a girl that shaves her armpits, hands, legs, I would recommend this for shaving. So if you are a shaving person, I'll suggest that you should not dry shave because it could leave you with like strawberry skin, and you know now all these ingrown hair, bumps and ingrown hair and dark spots. So what I do is I use this to shave. I use the gel to shave, and so far so good. It's not giving, I'm not having a bad reaction to it. I did try to use it for derma planning, and I don't know if I'll ever be making a video on derma planning because I don't plan to use this for derma planning anymore. To be honest, I feel like I'm almost out. Oh yeah, this is the product, tomato gel. Is it helping to brighten my skin? To be honest, I'm not seeing any added advantage to this. I'd rather buy my aloe vera gel, if I'm being honest. I'd rather buy my aloe vera gel, and I will buy my aloe vera gel because I'm not just saying, I don't believe this has 99% tomato extract. It smells nothing like tomato. It looks nothing like tomato, and to be honest, I don't think it feels. I feel like it's basically gelatin. It smells nothing like tomato, looks nothing. But I mean, if you are willing to try it, what works for me might not work for you, and what works for you might not work for me. But it is lightweight, feels like a gel, like it should. Does it help with soothing? Okay, that's a very good question. Since it says it's a soothing gel, yes, it works for soothing because I used this. So on Friday, today is Monday, by the way. Hi, Monday. On Friday, I was in the sun a lot, like a whole crazy lot. Thankfully, I used this in the morning. I don't even know what said, Lola, use this in the morning. So I used this in the morning with my sunscreen, and I brought my sunscreen to work. So I was like reapplying every 2 hours. When I got home, I felt like the sun had hit into my skin. Like I felt like I was feeling the sun in my skeleton. So obviously the first thing I did was I washed my face because I'd spent like a lot of time at work with a lot of sunscreen. So I washed my face, I double cleansed, and then I went in with ice cubes, and like it was so refreshing, you guys. It was so refreshing. I put the ice cubes on my face to kind of like relax it, and I went in with this. I did go in with this, and I would say it helps. So if you have like burn and you're trying to find remedies to the burn, it's something, any gel is soothing in my opinion. I've not seen a gel that is not soothing because gel contains gelatin. I think that's what they call it, and it can be kind of cooling, basically. This contains glycerin, but to be honest, it doesn't really feel like it contains a lot of glycerin, but I do know that it is moisturizing. So yeah, the usage says after cleaning, first take proper amount of the cream and paint your face in harmony with the right massage action until nutrient absorbed, good for common use. The English is even one kind. Will I be buying this after? To be honest, I'm going to be honest with you guys. No, I do plan to make a video on all the skincare I used this year, the ones I'll be buying and the ones I will not be buying. Unfortunately, this is one that I would not be buying. I would, however, finish this and use it. I still have quite a lot. I have to which is quite a lot. But I'm going to finish it. I'm going to basically use it for shaving and continue using it in the night as a body moisturizer. So yeah, that is it on the tomato gel soothing and moisture. For the aloe vera, I kind of liked it. If you've not seen the video, please do check it out. A lot of you guys did not watch that video. Also, I noticed that a lot of you who are watching my videos are not subscribed. Please kindly subscribe. I mean, it's free and you get more information and you help my analytics. So thank you for watching my video. If this is something you enjoyed, please like again. I would not mind. Thank you for watching my video. I have to see you on my next one. Bye bye.